Hello friends, my name is Yogesh Deshpande and my brother Venkatesh Deshpande is shooting this video. Now I am unboxing the Nokia 5.1 Plus, the best phone ever. Let's unbox this. Bro, focus. Whoa! Tan-ta-dan! This is our brand new Nokia 5.1 Plus. You can see this. It has notch display. It's quite impressive. Also, it is powered by AI dual camera. You can see this. These are some specifications mentioned here. 5.8 inches full HD. It's not full HD actually, it's HD plus display. 13 plus 5 dual rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. It is advanced AI imaging. It has dual slide mode also. It has. Friends, I brought this color. This color is blue color. So let's unbox this. Whoa, it's quite impressive, bro. See this, my new Nokia phone. This is my first Nokia Android phone. Thanks.
Guru.
Okay, let's just quickly unbox this. I will just remove some paperwork here. I'm just firstly unboxing this one. We just need to remove this wrapper firstly. Yeah, simply we can eject this. Yeah, that's our smartphone. See this branding. See its glossy finishing, man. It's too much hot. See its slimness. It's really amazing, man. Amazing. Nokia is back. Okay, let's just, what is in the box? Let's just see it. Here it's a headphone. Whoa, that's nice. And we have its charger. Its rating is, here you can see this. Have you seen its rating? Yeah, it has rating. It's 5 volt 2 amps. Yeah, it's 5 volt 2 amps. Let's just we can I think we have to open this.
Yeah.
So firstly we have to get this one. We just need to, whoa, here too much packaging by Nokia. Just remove it and get the ejector. Hey, the ejector is very cute. You can see this. Focus it. Yeah. Now let's just quickly, I'll show you the SIM tray. Oh my friends, it's a typical hybrid SIM slot, but the smartphone is really nice. Yeah, you can see this. It is on. Android 1 logo has came and now it will boot up fastly. The display is very bright. Yep. You can see this branding Nokia. It's really impressive. Okay, let's just boot it up. Let's go. So here we go. I will tell you some specifications mentioned on it. See, this is the notch style display. It is running on Android Oreo. Here it's a front megapixel, 8 megapixel camera. It has front 8 megapixel camera, and here dual camera setup is here. 13 plus 5 with single LED flash. Yeah, single LED flash. And the fingerprint sensor, I brought this color is navy blue, which is really awesome. Its build quality, I just loved its build quality, really. Nokia, best man, best. And its processor is beast, MediaTek Helio P60, amazing. And the stock UI experience, also it is Android 1 powered. It's really awesome, awesome. Okay friends, like, share and subscribe. Jai Maharashtra.